out here today in Fairview, Texas to install a frameless shower. You guys are going to come along for the ride and see how it's done, so let's go. Now we're going to be putting on the hinges for the shower door here. Go down. Now we're going to put on the second hinge for the bottom of our shower door. Now I'm going to be installing this handle here for our door. Alright, so we're out here today in Fairview, Texas, installing this shower. This is a new enclosure. They're completely remodeling the entire bathroom here, as you can see. You got some remodelers over here. They went with a brushed bronze hardware, so it has a kind of bit of a shine to it if you look at it at a certain angle. All we got left to do for the shower is install this transom here up top. Right up here, it's gonna go on just like that, with a clip there and one clip there attaching it. And this is just another style that not a lot of people know about yet, but it looks pretty good for showers, and whenever they're complete, they look really nice in my opinion. So that's what we got here going on today.